Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I got this Enjoy Digital Life. I got this, this was a premium one. It was one of the more expensive ones on Amazon. By accident, I cut the package when I was trying to open it like a bum, but you know, what are you gonna do? So yeah, like I said, I always like to put the measuring, obviously, tools on my videos. If you guys always see my videos, I always like to try to put numbers just for scale, so it'll help everyone out when they're ordering stuff. This is what the package looks like. If you're going to be, you know, ordering that, or you want to care, you can give that a pause. The name, brand, whatever, I don't know. But yeah, this one's blue. It's not like the crazy blue that I usually get, but it's supposed to be, what, gold plated and all this other stuff. And I don't know if any of that is any good. We're going to give a little review on it. I mean, not crazy, because I'm not in the business of, you know, using this to make a living. This is mostly for entertainment purposes, for me to have fun with, you know, hook up, you know, whatever, have a better dedicated line instead of the Bluetooth or whatever. And that's it. Like, you know, that's all pretty much why I even got this thing in the first place. All right, I did get the 8-foot because I got this specifically for my Klipsch speakers. If you saw, I did a review on them. I got those powered K51 powered ones that I got. I did a full review on those. They're really good speakers. I love them, whatever the case may be, but I wanted to try a better wire because I just had a problem with my cheaper wire. I'll show it to you. So yeah, this is the wire that I was using originally for my speakers or whatever. This one feels a lot thicker, but like I tell everyone with my reviews, this feels thicker, but you really don't know what's on the inside until you cut this, and then you know the quality. I've seen a lot of wires, a lot of different you know, different accessories and stuff like that, where the outside looks way nicer, and then when you open it up, it's like, you know, really crappy on the inside. So, you know, I'm not, you know, we're not going to cut this open. No one really cuts these open, you know what I mean, to test it, because, you know, I don't know, they're expensive or whatever. But this is what the tips look like. As you can see, this one does look beefier. You know, it does look thicker. We're going to hold it up right there. This is like a really cheap one. I probably got this for $9.99, and then this one was for 12 feet, and then this one was like almost 20 bucks for 8 feet. All right, and that's kind of what it looks like, the size. So I'm hoping that is going to be a good factor in the quality of the sound. Let's see what kind of measurement that we got here. I'm going to go from the tip because I'm not sure how they do their measurements. So this is where it exactly comes up to, guys. All right, it doesn't go to the 8-foot at the corner. It goes exactly to this 95 inches right here on the bend. So first thing, we're going to use the older cord first. All right, let's see. We'll do some instrumental, non-copyrighted music. All right, guys, so this will be a test of the old auxiliary. I plugged them in. Let's start this up. See if you guys notice a difference. You are roughly about 4 feet away from the speaker. Now, like I said, I don't think we're going to notice the difference. The main, because I'm an amateur. I don't think, you know, we're going to notice the difference. Well, I'm not, because I'm an amateur, but maybe you guys will. Like I said, this was a lot more expensive. and there's a reason why I got it that way. But this one has the 90°, which I want to put on the computer. So this way now when I put it on the computer, it's going to run out the back of the computer and not be such a hassle for me to be in the way. That was one of the big reasons why I did want this one. But let's give this a test out over here. But let's get this going. All right, I'm in. Let's turn it on, play some music. I'm just going to play the same song, so, you know, it's the same comparison, I guess. All right, so that's with the other ones. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
All right, everyone. So that's it for Glen Velvet reviews. Like I said, I did it on the computer. You guys heard the sound. You know, I don't know if you guys can hear the difference or not. Maybe you can or whatever. That was just for me, you know, just to show you. This just seems, like I said, mainly a better cord. It's just going to last longer, as you can see. And this has the elbow. This way I can put it in the laptop and it can just, you know, run out the back or whatever. But let me just hold this up there for you so you guys can, you know, get a scale on this. All right, so I can hold it this way, and I'll hold this one up as well. This way you guys can at least, you know, get a thickness of how the wire is and the and that compared to, you know, what you have or what you're interested in purchasing. All right, but like I said, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals up into something. I don't know, whatever. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back to the channel, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the stuff that I review if it's busted up and it stinks, and also answering questions to my subscribers that need help on the products that I am reviewing. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. I am out. Bye-bye.